Okay, SAP is implemented 0001. Now we are going to implement. So one plant 0001 plant and company code already implemented. Now I am going to implement new plant. So you can consider People Click Techno Solution already purchased SAP. You people are going to work as a consultant to implement SAP. So now here how to create our company code. So you can select alpha numeric or alphanumeric. Only three combination. You can decide your name of organization. People Click Techno Solution can be created as PCTS. People Click Techno Solution. That is all alpha. Or PC01. That is alpha numeric. Only numeric 1000 you can create or 2000 you can create like that. Only three combination you can do. Now here there are 8 guys are available. 8 guys alphabet wise I cannot take. Okay, so only first name which is available in my batch, that I can take here. Here AN Ashash, Naveen, Sushma and then Shiva. ANSS I can take or ANSV, like that only 4 digit I can take, or otherwise AN, okay, 01 I can do it here. AN 01, this is alphanumeric. So here SAP created everything as 0001 because it's easy to remember. Okay, so now here also I am going to create here AN01. So purchasing organization also AN01, plant is also AN01, storage location also AN01. So you have any doubt what is company code, what is purchase or plant, any doubt, anyone have doubt before I move to configuration? After doubt is coming after my session, then it is difficult for me. You know the difference between company code, plant, purchase org and purchasing group. No doubt, correct? Plant means branch or work area, or this one manufacturing area or assembly area. Within the plant, the sub rooms or sub areas called as storage location. Company code means it's a legal entity of an organization. Company means People Techno Solution. Company code means it's created in SAP. Purchase org means within the organization, material management department is called as purchase organization. Okay, it's clear. If I want to create material master, I want this plant and storage location. If I want to create vendor, I want company code and purchase org. Okay, if I want to create material master, I want this one also, purchasing group also, material group also. So this is called as enterprise structure data. This 4 is called as enterprise structure data, which is created by different consultants. These 2 is key fields. Without these 2 fields I cannot do. So for us all part is required. When one part is not working, we are handicapped like that. Okay, in SAP also all data is required to run one cycle. Okay, so just here purchase or creation copy method. So here just I am taking you to the transaction code. First I will show you how to create purchase order. Okay, so now I am coming to system. So go to /n OX08. So click on enter. OX08 transaction code I am using. I am going to create purchase order. From where I am copying? I am copying 0001. Okay, so copy method of configuration system here. Click on copy I can do, or click on F6 also you can do. Copy, the value is copied. Okay, I gave the example, driving license and passport and mass card is available with me. Go to Xerox shop, just give it, just take the copy. Same also here, everything is available in the system, just I am copying and creating my new one. Okay, so now here is AN01, AN01, this is my one. So this AN01 finalization in which process of ASAP methodology is happened is during the blueprint stage or during the realization phase also. We can have multiple discussion with the department, then we can finalize it. Okay, so now here AN01 purchase org, AN01 purchase org. So this functionality will be done by AN01 is purchase activity. Purchase activity for local you can create a separate, domestic or local you can create, import separate you can create, or asset separate purchase org also you can create, or same purchase org you can use for all the procurement. Okay, so now how the scenario will be happened. In my house I can purchase a product to my home, my wife can purchase, my brother can purchase, my father can purchase. So now 4 purchase are purchasing to one plant. So like that. But now Presently I am showing only one client, one company code, one purchaser. Later I will show you the scenario. Okay, first understand the basic. Click on save. So this window you did not see previously, okay, because this is a consultant activity. Okay, so now consultant activity means whatever you do the changes, you have to record it here. Can you see here? Request creation here. This is my request. Now at present Kalyan is available. The request number is available with the EH4K9 followed by 404. This number ranges will be configured by SAP basis team. Okay, so now here AG01, this is the MM config. It's not a enhancement, configuration with a standard tool. That's all. Okay, so click on enter. So now the number will be generated. When you go to real time remedy request is available, and then HP ALM tool is available, that is a support tool. ClearQuest is available, IBM ClearQuest, IBM remedy. Okay, like that, different HP ALM. So solution manager, SAP solution manager, these are all the different tools we use it for all the tracking purpose. Okay, so now this is the number you need to select here. This is the number you need to select. So now next time when I created, it will be stored here. Click on save. This is called as tracking number, transport request. Okay, tracking number or transport request. Okay, so now the data is created. That's all, very simple. It took less than 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now I am going to cross check that one. Go to /n16n. You have written the table for purchase org already. So table name is T024E. I am already told the table which starts with a T, it's a standard table. We are not going to replace this standard table. Always it will be available. It's just like your 26 alphabets. India also 26. If you go to US also 26. Europe also 26. The same way SAP tables also same across the world. Nothing different. Any industry you work, these tables are common. Okay. So now here purchase org, my purchase org is AN01. Whether it is created or not, if I want to check it, I can see this one. This is validation. Okay. So now if I want to see all the purchase organization which is available in the box or my system, you can see there are 87 purchase organizations are available. Okay. So this one you are created at client level, client 800 you have created this one. Client 810 if you created, that data will not be available here. This data will not be available there. There is a separate hard disk is divided into C, D, E, F, like that. Okay. So now you have done these changes in development box. It's a consultant activity. Okay. So now I told about the TR number or tracking request. Thus the T code is SE01. I am explaining now only. First time I am telling you guys SE01. It's a basis transaction code SE01. Okay. Now this is the one. So display TR number. You can see it here. Click on enter here. So click on display. So in PO, you know header level, you know item level. In one PO header, you can add multiple line items. Like that, in one transaction of transport request, it is having two data. One is header data, one is item data. Header data contains one number ranges, line item data contains another number ranges. So here you see 16 is the header data, 17 is the item data. So what item you configured, that you can see here. Can you see? This is the AN01 that is created successfully. If you are not understanding, don't worry. I will explain you again and again in other session. Don't worry. This is the first time because you are seeing first time. So when you completed your 10th, when you go to PUC, okay, you are coming from the local language medium, then so some words will be difficult for you to understand. First 2 to 3 days you will see left side, right side, you will not write anything. So here also same will happen here first time, but I will take you in the same way. I don't do like your college session. Okay, so then here 7 guys are available here. Out of the 7, 1 or 2 guys already understood everything very faster. Some guys are taking slow, different. He is already worked in real environment. He can help you when you are practicing. Okay, that assurance I can give you. Okay, so now this is the TR number. Okay, so any doubt here?